Congratulations on completing the quiz and the coding challenge. I hope everything went well and you're now super confident that you've fully absorbed everything there is to know about Python variables. So let's have a quick review of this section of the course to make sure that you've gotten absolutely everything before we move on. Firstly and most importantly, you learned that variables are used to store useful pieces of information in your computer programs. Variables are like boxes, and each variable has a name and also has a value stored inside of it. We give variables values and names using the assignment operator, which in Python is just an equals sign. You also learned that variables have a certain type, and because Python is a dynamically typed language, this variable type can change dynamically. This is different to languages like C and Java, which are statically typed languages and don't let you do this. You can check a variable's type by using the type function, which makes complete sense, right? You also learned that how the name of your variables can impact the readability of your code, and I suggested to you that you stick with Python's convention and keep everything lowercase, and if you need a space, use an underscore instead. Oh, and bear in mind that the names need to start with a letter, they can't start with a number or a symbol. After that, you applied your knowledge of variables and updated the script we made earlier on in the section to make it more organized and a lot easier to change. And after that, you had a quiz to check your knowledge and you got your first taste of a coding challenge which you passed with flying colours. I mean, wow! What a lot you've covered in just this section alone. Well done! If you've followed all of that, then you're truly a master of Python variables. We're now finished with the variables section of the course and we'll be moving on to using numbers in Python. Computers use numbers for absolutely everything, from game design to computer vision to online maps. Numbers are absolutely everywhere in programming, and as usual, Python makes working with numbers super easy and a load of fun. So in the next section, we're going to take what we've already learned in this section about variables and combine it with some new knowledge about numbers in order to make our very first project. In that project, we're going to get all magical and make a health potion for a video game character, so you'll definitely want to check that out. And with that, I will once again give you my warmest congratulations for completing this section of the course, and I'll see you in the next video.